I ordered this tire pressure gauge online, and when it came it wasn't working properly, so I offered to return it, and the company said no, it costs more for you to return it than it does just to throw it away. So they said go ahead and keep it. So I thought we would tear it apart and see how it works. I've already loosened the glass here and taken off the protective bumper shield. Let's start with this piece. This is the release valve, and it comes in multiple parts. So that's pretty much it. Just a section of tubing with a relief valve in it, release valve. And then this is the part where you poke the tire with it. So nothing special there. It does pivot. Okay, so let's go over and look at the actual gauge. We'll take the cover off of it, and we can see the needle and the index markings. And then it's just got two screws back here that hold it on. 1, 2. And then it slips out. There's just this black case. Nothing much on this side to see. But let me see if I can get in here a little tighter, and we'll look at the actual mechanism. There's two main parts of this. There's this copper piece right here. This copper thing is actually a piece of round copper tubing that has been flattened. It's hollow on the inside, and it's attached right there. It's soldered in right there, so that when the gas flows in here, there's a connection to here, and the pressure goes down this tube, and it tries to straighten the tube out. Yeah, because it's like if you had a balloon that was curved like this, and you start blowing, like a balloon, animal balloon, it's going to try to straighten out. Now this is a copper balloon, animal balloon. So let's see if I can, let's focus this a little better. When I try to straighten this out, you'll see that the needle moves. See that? So as the pressure inside this tube gets higher, the tube tries to straighten out, which makes it go that way. There's a linkage here, right there, and this linkage is connected to a gear. Let's see if we can see that gear. Not easy. Oh, there it is. Right there, you can see the teeth on the gear. Right in there. And it acts on another gear right there, which is on the shaft of the needle. And then there's a little tiny return spring right there, which I keep poking. There, so it's actually a rather simple design. Tube straightens out, the linkage moves. On the other end of the linkage is a gear that's on the end of that shaft right here. So the shaft comes up, and then there's just a quarter of a gear on it. And then you can see the smaller gear that's on the end of the shaft. And then the return spring. So that's pretty much it. It's not very complex. They've been around for a very long time. And yeah, unfortunately, this one doesn't work correctly. I don't know if there's a leak in it or whatever. You can see it's just soldered on one end, and they didn't do a very good job with the soldering. Okay, well that was it for a tire pressure gauge, how it works on the insides. Hope you found that useful and interesting, and whatever you're doing with tire pressure gauges,